Kajingi terailang hapadang gipulit ka Meghalaya, Assam, West Bengal ka penlong ya kajingi okem ya hendrungut ki breu kentup ya laingut ki kena ki bapo kat prasnam karta. Kini ki breu kila sya keno ba kila penjot ya ke Oakwood homestay ke badan Harisa koloni Shillong. Habakran nalorkan ya superintendent ki pulit ke district East Khasi Hills uba 𝗣𝗬𝗡𝗟 bagi pulit kali opdiang ya kejing ujor haka katwe tarik balan register ya ke Mokduma Mardor. Hapok kejingi terilang jogi pulit ka 𝗏𝗏𝗪𝗧 bad 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗧 layo ban lap bat kemi gini ki breu ha kejaka ke bahap apok ka thanat 𝗧𝗪𝗪𝗧 kemudian ha ke distrik 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗧 ha West Bengal ha ke por sandunash puajan miet. Kilangut ki breu ki bekentup yo 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗚 𝗪𝗏𝗡𝗚 bad akan 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗚 Uttar Pradesh kat ba kilangut ki kena apat kidai ki berangkat nyusam karta. Kakunhun pulit na Shillong kalalik West Bengal ban shimti ya kini ki breu melayla mahkamat ki yang syari CJM 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗧 bagi kini kena kemat ke Juvenile Justice Board. Lapan ngat ye kendon an jong ka section 𝗧𝗏𝗧 san-puai-lai, 𝗧𝗏𝗧 arpusau-lai, bat lai san jong ke BNS, bat superintendent ki pulit uli itu bagi jing tokit kalihat cakamat.
It's a colony by the name of Oakwood. We had received a complaint on the 11th that about two people had threatened and vandalized the guest house, and they had left without making compensation for the same. The case was registered immediately, and a team was sent the very next day, that was yesterday, to trace these people. We had been in touch with the counterparts from Assam, SP 𝗏𝗏𝗪𝗧 and SP 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗧, and in 𝗧𝗪𝗪𝗧 yesterday at about 4 to 5, between 4 to 5, we had intercepted these people by the name of Vikas Singh, Avinash Singh, Akan Singh, and 3 other minors, about 17 years old. After the interception by 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗧 police in 𝗧𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗧 PS area, our team from here had gone there to 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗧 and had arrested them and produced them in the court of the CJM in 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗧. However, as the offences are below 7 years, they have received bail. The minors also have been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board. Though they have received bail, arrest has been made. Investigation will carry on to ensure that we charge sheet them at the earliest.